Hello guys, look at the flower of my strawberry plant. There are so many of them. Later I will just place each in another vessel so that it will flourish more beautifully and more it will be big enough. So there are so many that are going to just in the flowering stage. I guess a lot of flowers will give me the fruits. I love strawberry actually, so I have planted many of them. Look at this huge one. Isn't this cute? Have you ever seen this much big strawberry? I haven't. I had bought and just eaten or tasted it, but this is my first time. I have just grown this in my own garden. It's so big. It's really good one. There are others just growing so nicely. This is the cutest one. I'm waiting for the day I will just pick it up and have a bite of it. I'll show you when it is completely ripened as well. Have a good day or good night.